This gargoyle was full of grass like that, and I've already pulled most of it out. Just got to take out the dirt. So here we are on the northern face. I've done some pointing around there and along here. In particular, the string course was very deep, as was this one and this one, and you can see what's going on here underneath there. So there's just a big void under that. This gargoyle has a bit of a lamination occurring, but it's actually quite solid if I give it a wiggle. So I will just put some mortar into that just to slow the water penetration down. Sean repairing the cross. We're looking at the other side of a gargoyle, and here we have this, and this is slightly loose. Could be doing with a pin going up through here. Little open joint there, lots of pointing, 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 pointing. The loose shard was significantly more loose than I thought it was. When I touched it again, it literally dropped off. Got a big open joint here on the string course between my feet. Another one there which I'll probably be able to open up a bit more before repointing. Faces around me look pretty good. Little hole here. Something there. Hole void over there, which I might be able to tackle later. Yeah, generally pretty sound. Starting to ten things up now. Looking over to the west face, we've got this crack running along the string course here, which is actually quite deep. There's also an open joint in the string course and above the string course as well. There. I'm not going to be getting to that today. Priority for today is this face and the other two around the corner, the northern faces. This is the east face, and some of the louvers are looking a little bit ropey. This one has slipped out. And there's the rest. Coming over to the northeast face, got a close-up view of one of these slipping louvres here. I can actually knock that one back in slightly. Another slipper there. The wood itself looks pretty solid, just needs tapping back and fixing in. Might be doable from the inside if the mesh can be removed. Repointing to the string course and around. Repointing higher up. Repointing around the gargoyle. Repointing along the north face. Repointing on the northeast. The gargoyle had a depression at the top of it, creating a bird bath, so I've filled that with water to shed water. Yeah. Tidying up the mess before we leave. Just noticed, looking at the, I don't know, is this the north transept, where the roof has this gully here. There's a lot of growth.